Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about a very famous skincare ingredient which is hyaluronic acid. I will be sharing the comparison between two very famous, very well-known hyaluronic acid present in the market, which are these two. This one is from the brand Dot & Key, and this one is from the brand The Ordinary. So I'll be telling you what hyaluronic acid actually is, what it does for your skin, and how these two performs, and what is the difference between these two and which is better. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So let's start with understanding what hyaluronic acid actually is. So hyaluronic acid is a kind of humectant. Now what humectant is? So humectant is a substance which bonds with water molecules and it increases the water content in your skin itself. And there are few humectants which can actually draw the moisture from the environment and from other layers of moisturizer what you have on your skin. So it can draw the moisture from environment or other product into your skin, and it can retain that moisture in the skin. So since it's a very hydrating component, you will see there are many product in the market जिसके अंदर आपको hyaluronic acid मिल जाएगा, but the quantity what you get in those product is not as much as what you get in these kind of products. So ये जो दो products हैं ये प्योर हाइलुरोनिक एसिड है, बट जो दूसरे प्रोडक्ट हैं उनके अंदर भी आपको मिल जाएगा हाइलुरोनिक एसिड. जस्ट द क्वांटिटी व्हाट यू हैव इन दोज प्रोडक्ट्स आर नॉट too much. These hyaluronic acid are present in those products in very less quantity, because just to उस जो भी प्रोडक्ट है वो आपको आपकी स्किन को ड्राई ना करें, उसके लिए उनमें हाइलुरोनिक एसिड प्रेजेंट रहता है. इट्स अ वेरी गुड हाइड्रेटिंग इंग्रेडिएंट टू हैव इन एनी काइंड ऑफ स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू सम मोर फैक्ट्स अबाउट hyaluronic acid which most of the people don't talk about. First thing is hyaluronic acid is a environment dependent product because it draws moisture from the environment around you. So if you are in a city or place where the environment is very humid, there is a moisture in the environment, this will work really well for you because it can actually draw the moisture from the environment to your skin. But if you live in a dry place, hyaluronic acid might not work that well for you because as I told you, it draws the moisture from the environment. Now अगर आप ऐसे environment में रहते हैं जहाँ पे moisture नहीं है naturally in the environment, so hyaluronic acid won't be able to draw the moisture from the environment. So what it will do, it will draw the moisture from other layers of your skin, and ultimately ये क्या करेगा, instead of hydrating your skin, it can make your skin more dry. So if you live in a dry state and if you want to use hyaluronic acid, तो आपको external तरीके से अपनी skin को moisture provide करना पड़ेगा. So if you are using hyaluronic acid, just top it off with some spray. So you can use you can spray water on your face, or you can use any kind of face mist, rose water or anything, but you will have to provide the moisture externally to your skin so that it doesn't draw the moisture from other layers of your skin and doesn't dry out your skin even more. The second thing is the molecules which are present in hyaluronic acid are very big in size, so they won't penetrate deep onto your skin, and for a hyaluronic acid to work properly for your skin, it should be present in the deepest layer of your skin. So अगर जो hyaluronic acid आप use कर रहे हैं, if it is not formulated properly, if the molecules which are present in the hyaluronic acid are very big, it will just sit on top layer of your skin and it won't deep into the deepest layer of your skin, and it won't work properly. It won't work as it supposed to work for your skin. Now the last thing is the effect of hyaluronic acid is not very long lasting because it degrades very quickly. तो जो हाइड्रेशन हाइलुरोनिक एसिड आपकी स्किन को प्रोवाइड करता है वो बहुत लंबे टाइम तक स्टे नहीं करता है. तो यूल हैव टू यूज़ हाइलुरोनिक एसिड लाइक मल्टीपल टाइम्स इन अ डे. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज़ हाइलुरोनिक एसिड लाइक ट्वाइस अ डे. आप मॉर्निंग में यूज़ कर सकते हैं व्हेन यू आर डूइंग योर मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ हाइलुरोनिक एसिड in the night when you are doing your nighttime skincare routine. And hyaluronic acid works very well with all other products. जो भी product आप अपने skincare routine में use कर रहे हैं, if you are even using some active ingredients like AHA, BHA or niacinamide or what else, yeah, retinol, vitamin C, whatever product you are using in your skincare routine, you can include hyaluronic acid as well in your skincare routine with all the product. It works really well with all the products because the main purpose of hyaluronic acid is actually provide hydration to your skin, and जो दूसरे active ingredients रहते हैं like AHA, BHA, they actually can make your skin very dry or sensitive. तो hyaluronic acid को include करना skin care routine में काफ़ी अच्छा रहता है because it can provide that extra moisture and extra hydration to your skin. One more thing which you need to understand if you are using hyaluronic acid in your skin care routine, it is not a replacement of moisturizer. So even if you're using hyaluronic acid in your skin, you'll have to top it off with some kind of moisturizer. You can't just use hyaluronic acid and you are done. It's not like that. You'll have to use moisturizer even if you're using hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine. So I have these two hyaluronic acid with me. This one is from the brand The Ordinary, and I'm using this Ordinary hyaluronic acid from a really long time. And then I have this hyaluronic acid from the brand Dot & Key. I got this one sometime back only, and I'm using it from last 15 or 20 days. And I think 15-20 days is a good amount of time to share a review about hyaluronic acid, because it doesn't give you any visible effect on your skin, but you can actually feel whether this hyaluronic acid is actually working for your skin or not. So based on my experience with these hyaluronic acid, I'll be sharing the comparison between these two. So let's start with the packaging of these products. So this one is the Ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% B5. It comes in this kind of glass bottle, and you get this dropper with this. So with this dropper, it's very easy to take out the product. The amount you get in this bottle is 30 ml. The size of this bottle is very small, so it's very convenient, and it's made of glass, so it's environmental friendly as well. And since it's small in size, it's travel friendly, but since it's made of glass, it can be a little risky to carry this with you. Now this one is Dot & Key hyaluronic acid. It comes in this kind of packaging. So you get this plastic bottle. This is not made of glass, it's a plastic bottle. And in this one also you are getting this dropper. So taking out the product is easy in this one as well. But the bottle what you get is made of plastic, so it's not environmental friendly, but it is travel friendly because it's made of plastic. But the size of this bottle is very bulky. It's very bulky in size, and the amount you get is again 30 ml. So if you compare the sizes of these bottles, so you can see side by side, it's very, this one is the Ordinary one is very small in size, while the Dot & Key one is very bulky. So this is travel friendly because it's small in size, but it is made of glass, so it's little riskier. But it's this one is bulky, and this is made of plastic. So इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट के अंदर जो क्वांटिटी आपको मिलती है इट्स 30 ml, सो द क्वांटिटी इज सेम. बट जो हाइलुरोनिक एसिड है ये एक और वेरिएंट में अवेलेबल है विच इज 60 ml. बट डॉट एंड की में आपको केवल एक ही वेरिएंट मिलता है विच इज 30 ml. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. तो जो दोनों की ही कंसिस्टेंसी है, इट्स नॉट वाटरी, दोनों की ही मिल्की काइंड ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी है. तो लेट मी शो यू द साइड बाय साइड कंपैरिजन ऑफ बोथ द प्रोडक्ट्स. सो दिस इज from Dot & Key and this one is Ordinary. So you can see दोनों की ही जो कंसिस्टेंसी है वो वाटरी कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है, दोनों की काइंड ऑफ थिक कंसिस्टेंसी है, मिल्की काइंड ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी है. एंड यू कैन सी कि ये जो हाइलुरोनिक एसिड है फ्रॉम Ordinary, इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी जो Dot & Key वाला है उससे थोड़ी सी थिन है. This hyaluronic acid from the Ordinary absorbs quicker than the hyaluronic acid from Dot & Key because the consistency of this one is little bit thinner than the consistency of this one. तो ये काफ़ी जल्दी absorb हो जाता है स्किन के अंदर, while this takes this Dot & Key one takes a little bit time to get absorbed properly in the skin. Now when you apply hyaluronic acid on the face, it feels little bit sticky on the face. तो जो stickiness है that is more with this hyaluronic acid than the Dot & Key one. I am actually not sure what is the reason behind it, but जो stickiness मैंने feel करी है वो मुझे इसके साथ, ये जो Ordinary वाला है इसके साथ ज़्यादा फील होती है than this one. Now but the main thing for which you are using these hyaluronic acid is the hydration these hyaluronic acid provides. तो मैंने फील किया है कि जो Ordinary वाला hyaluronic acid है it provides more hydration to your skin than the Dot & Key one, and I think I know why is that, because I told you in the beginning of the video right कि जो hyaluronic acid रहता है उसके जो molecules होते हैं वो काफ़ी big होते हैं size में, तो it can actually, if it is not formulated properly, it can just stay on top layer of your skin and it won't penetrate deep into your skin. तो ये जो hyaluronic acid from the Ordinary is a hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid which means it has multi-molecular weight. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो इसके अंदर मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो मल्टीपल वेट में प्रेजेंट है, लाइक इसके अंदर डिफरेंट साइजेस के मॉलिक्यूल्स प्रेजेंट है. सो जो बिग मॉलिक्यूल्स रहते हैं वो आपकी टॉप लेयर पे काम करते हैं, जो स्मॉलर साइज के स्मॉलर वेट के मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं दे कैन एक्चुअली गो डीप इनटू योर स्किन, इट कैन गो टू द deepest layer of your skin, and then it can work on that deepest layer. So that's why it works better than this one, I think. आई एम नॉट श्योर कि इसके अंदर ये जो hyaluronic acid है वो कैसे formulated है, because I couldn't find any information about that, about the formulation of this hyaluronic acid, whether this one is also hydrolyzed or not. I'm not sure because I couldn't find that information on Nykaa or on their website. So I'm not sure how this one is formulated, but I know that this one is a hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. That's why I think it works more for me. It provides more hydration to your skin than this one. This also provides a good amount of hydration to your skin. I won't say that this is a bad product. It's a very good product, and I'm actually using this product on a daily basis. So I use this one in the morning, and I use this one in the night, because I use many other products as well in the night. So that's why I use this one in the night. बट जो हाइड्रेशन मैंने फील किया है इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ, तो आई फील कि ये वाला जो hyaluronic acid है, it works better than this one, because it provides more hydration to your skin, and it also lasts for a longer amount of time than this one. The hydration this provides, उसका जो इफेक्ट रहता है वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा टाइम तक रहता है कंपैरेटिव to this one, because I think of the formulation of these two products. So if you know कि ये कैसा इसका जो formulation है वो किस तरह का है, if you know about that, please let me know in the comment box. I will I'll be very interested to know more about this one. जो दोनों ही hyaluronic acid है, इनका formula vegan है, इसमें किसी भी तरह के कोई nasty chemicals present नहीं है. ये जो hyaluronic acid है from the ordinary, it doesn't contain any kind of perfume. There is no fragrance in this hyaluronic acid, while this one has a strong fragrance to it, which actually I don't like about this product. This product is actually good, but इसके अंदर काफ़ी strong fragrance है, and it's not good to have strong fragrance in your skincare product. So that is the main thing which I don't like about this product, while the ordinary one doesn't contain any kind of fragrance to it. And दोनों ही जो प्रोडक्ट हैं वो क्लीन है, वीगन है, कोई पैराबेन और किसी भी तरह के नेस्टी केमिकल्स इन दोनों ही प्रोडक्ट्स में प्रेजेंट नहीं है. नाउ द लास्ट एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट अबाउट दीज टू hyaluronic acid is the price and the availability. So this hyaluronic acid from the ordinary is not actually available in India. Like directly it's not available in India, but you can get this from different Instagram store. So this one retails for $8 originally, but if you are buying this hyaluronic acid from Instagram store, जो price है वो vary कर सकती है, तो you can get this from 1300 to 1500 rupees. तो आपको इतना पे करना पड़ेगा. Actually this is very affordable. This only retails for $8, but since it's not directly available in India, you'll have to buy it through some Instagram store. तो इस तरह से इसका जो actual price है वो आपको नहीं मिल पाता है, and you'll have to pay काफ़ी extra for this hyaluronic acid since it's not available easily. And this one is actually an Indian brand, and this is easily available in India. You can get this from Dot & Key website, or you can buy this one from Nykaa. I think this is available on Amazon as well. I'm not sure, but अगर मुझे मिलेगा तो I'll provide the link in the description box. So that is a very good thing about this product, because it is an Indian brand, very good skincare Indian brand, and this one retails for 895 rupees, and you can easily get discounts as well on this product. तो प्राइस वाइज और अवेलेबिलिटी वाइज बात करें तो दिस इज़ बेटर, बिकॉज इट्स cheaper since it's available in India, and it's this is also an Indian brand. Well, this is not easily available in India, so you'll have to pay extra for this hyaluronic acid. So ultimately this will be more expensive than this Dot & Key one. So overall both these hyaluronic acid performs really well. This one provides you more hydration than this one, and this doesn't contain any kind of fragrance. But ये जो Dot & Key का है, it's an Indian brand, and it's very easily available in India, and it's cheaper than the ordinary one. So it totally depends on you कि आप कौन सा hyaluronic acid purchase करना चाहते हैं. If you have access to this, I would recommend you to go for this one, because it works better than the Dot & Key one. But if you don't have access to this, and if you don't want to spend that much money on hyaluronic acid, you can totally go for this one. This also performs really well. I'm not saying that this is not a good product. It's actually a very good product, just that it has a strong fragrance in it, and it doesn't perform as good as the ordinary one. But I know this is a cheaper option, and it's very easily available in India, so you can totally go for this one as well, because this also performs really good. So I guess that's all for today's video. मैंने पूरी कोशिश करी है कि मैं आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन दे पाऊँ hyaluronic acid के बारे में, एंड आपको अच्छे से कंपैरिजन दे पाऊँ इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. बट स्टिल इफ़ यू हैव मोर क्वेश्चन अबाउट hyaluronic acid, और आप जानना चाहते हैं कि हाउ कैन यू बाय द ऑर्डिनरी वन एंड ऑल, please let me know in the comment box. You can ask your question in the comment box. I'll be very happy to answer them. So that's a wrap. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Please let me know in the comment box if you want me to share this kind of comparison between any other products. I'm actually planning on doing this kind of comparison for other products as well, like the AHA BHA peel. So you get AHA BHA peel in both the brands, like the ordinary one and the Dot & Key one. So I'm currently testing out those products, and I'm thinking of sharing a comparison between those two products as well. Similarly, if you want me to share the comparison between any other product, केवल स्किन केयर है ही नहीं, अगर मेकअप के अंदर भी आपको किसी भी प्रोडक्ट का कंपैरिजन जानना है, प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.